this is me, of course. This is Garrett Kane here, and I'm in Prattville, Alabama right now. So the storm that I'm showing you is just basically a wall cloud. This morning, 6 o'clock, we saw a giant wall cloud. Wasn't anything abnormal, of course. Supposed to be expecting a storm in about a couple more hours, so wind's starting to pick up a little bit. We got a wind advisory still here. Look at that, look at that. That thing can produce a tornado right there. Look at the trees, you know how fast the wind's going. It actually just moved me a little bit. So, yeah. We're just gonna sit right here, you guys can watch it. It's about 83 degrees here in Prattville. Yeah, just watch these clouds just move by. This is right over me. This is just literally right over me right here. That's right over me. See, here's me. Look. Right over me. There's the water tower. Okay, that cloud just passed by us, so crap. Look at that wall cloud. No sirens have gone off or anything yet, so look at that. You can actually see some blue sky up there. A little bit of blue sky. So yeah. There we go. That's a good wind right there. These clouds don't literally look like they're gonna produce anything. So I'm gonna head inside right now. I'll keep you guys posted in a little bit. So keep watching the Weather Channel or keep checking whatever. Something just fell down. I really don't know what it was, but something just fell down. So, okay. Nice. I'm gonna keep on this for a couple more minutes. Look at that. Look at that wind. Continue to pay attention to this storm. I'm gonna head inside.